Combine images with auto-blend layers. Combine images with auto-blend layers. How to combine images with auto-blend layers? The auto-blend layers command. Use the auto-blend layers command to stitch or combine images with smooth transitions in the final composite. Image auto-blend layers applies layer masks as needed to each layer to mask out over or underexposed areas or content differences. And auto-blend layers is available, by the way, only for RGB or grayscale images, and it doesn't work with smart objects, video layers, and 3D layers or background layers. And among the many uses of the auto-blend layers command, by the way, and you can blend multiple images of a skin with different areas in focus to achieve a composite image with an extent depth of field. Similarly, you can create a composite by blending multiple images of a skin with different illuminations, and in addition to combining images of a skin, you can stitch together images into a panorama. And also it might be better to use the Photomerge command to produce panoramas from multiple images, by the way. And auto-blend layers applies layer masks as needed to each layer, by the way, to mask out over or underexposed areas or content differences and create a seamless composite. What about depth of field blending? Depth of field blending is meaning that we have many steps here now. Step number 1, you should to copy or replace the images you want to combine into the same document, and each image will be in a separate layer, by the way. Number 2, select the layers you want to blend. Number 3, optional, align the layers, and you can align layers manually or by using the auto align layers command. Number 4, with the layers still selected, choose edit, then choose auto blend layers. And number 5, select the auto blend objective, and we have two options here now: panorama and stick images. Panorama is meaning that blends overlapping layers into a panorama image, and the stick images is meaning that blends the best details in each corresponding area. These options, by the way, works best with aligned layers only, and be careful here now. Stick images, by the way, lets you blend multiple images of a skin with different areas in focus or different illuminations or to achieve the best results of all the images, and you must auto align the image first. Number 6, select seamless tones and colors to adjust the color and tonality for blending. Number 7, press OK.